Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Nestled along the southern shores of the Gaspé Peninsula, Paspebiac is a charming town, steeped in history and surrounded by natural beauty. The name Paspébiac comes from the Mi'kmaq word Ipsigiag, which refers to the long sandbar that creates a sheltered lagoon along the coast. One of the most fascinating highlights of Paspébiac is its Paspebiac historic site, a national treasure showcasing its 19th century fishing industry. This area was home to two major Anglo-Norman fishing companies, Charles Robin and Company and the Le Boutillier brothers. These companies exported dried cod around the world and built an impressive network of workshops, warehouses, and shipbuilding facilities here. In fact, you'll find the largest wooden building with an exposed structure in North America on this site. The town's coastal setting along Chaleurs Bay offers picturesque views and opportunities to enjoy the water, whether you're strolling along the beaches or dining at local seafood restaurants. So, whether you're a history buff, a seafood lover, or someone who just enjoys beautiful seaside towns, Paspebiac has something for you.
Thanks for watching!